Guys, as we move towards the future, technology continues to evolve, and with that, there are certain professions that are likely to see an increase in demand and salary. Whether you are starting your career or looking to make a career change, understanding the highest paying jobs can help you make informed decisions about your future. In this video, we will explore the top 10 highest paying jobs in 2023, what they do, their average salaries and required skills, that too with the help of an example. Yes, to make you understand the job profile and what they actually do in an easy way, we have connected each profile to an example of Tesla company. So without further ado, let's get started with number 10. AI and ML engineer. An AI and ML engineer is responsible for training machines to perform certain tasks. For example, as you know, Tesla is known for self-driving cars. Now to make this car, the skills of AI and ML engineer are used to design and implement algorithms that enable the car to analyze and respond to its environment. They design, develop and implement machine learning and artificial intelligence algorithms to solve complex problems and train the car to accept human instructions. They work on projects related to natural language processing, computer vision, speech recognition and other AI-based applications. The task is interesting but tough at the same time. Hence, they are amongst the top 10 highest paying jobs in 2023. The job growth rate of AI and ML engineer is expected to be around 33% over next 10 years. So, if you are interested in machines and communicating with them, you should definitely consider this field for your career. AI engineer salary in India ranges between 3 lakhs to 20 lakhs with an average annual salary of 7 lakhs. Moving on to number 9, that is blockchain developer. A blockchain developer designs and develops decentralized application using blockchain technology. In simple words, they use blockchain technology to secure the transactions you do on daily basis. If we connect with the same example of Tesla car, then in context to Tesla cars, they involved in the development of blockchain-based solutions for vehicle tracking, authentication, secure communication, and data sharing with other devices and systems. They develop secure, decentralized communication protocols that are resistant to hacking and other security threats. The job growth rate of blockchain developers is expected to be around 25% over next 10 years. To start your journey as a blockchain developer, you will need skills in programming language such as Solidity and experience with blockchain platforms such as Ethereum. Talking about the salary, then as per Ambition Box, the median salary of a blockchain developer ranges from 2 lakhs to 18.6 lakhs per annum in India. Next on our list is DevOps engineer. DevOps engineers design and implement automated systems that streamline the whole software development lifecycle, starting from its development to deployment. In the context of Tesla cars, if they want to build a new software that powers the car's autonomous driving capabilities, then they would be responsible for ensuring that software is deployed smoothly, is scalable, reliable and secure. The job growth rate of DevOps engineer is expected to be around 21% over next 10 years. To become a DevOps engineer, you will need skills in programming language like Python and experience with cloud computing platforms like AWS. Talking about the salary, then the national average salary for a DevOps engineer is 7 lakhs in India as per Glassdoor. Next, number 7, we have AWS developers. They specialize in designing and developing applications on AWS platforms. They work on various applications like serverless computing, storage and databases. They would use AWS tools and services to design and develop softwares that can process large amount of data, perform complex calculations in real time. The job growth rate of AWS developers is expected to be around 23% over next 10 years. To become an AWS developer, you will typically need skills in programming languages like Java, Python and experience with AWS services. As per Glassdoor, AWS developer salary in India ranges between 2.9 lakhs to 16 lakhs with an average annual salary of 6 lakhs. Next, at number 6, we have software engineers. Software engineers design, develop and maintain software systems for various applications such as web and mobile applications, operating systems, computer games, etc. If we talk about Tesla cars, software engineers play a crucial role in the development of Tesla cars, as the cars are heavily dependent on softwares to operate. So, they need software engineers for designing, developing and testing the softwares that powers the car's various systems, including the autonomous driving capabilities. The job growth rate for software engineers is expected to be around 22% over next 10 years. To start your journey as a software engineer, you will typically need programming skills like Java, Python and C++. As well as experience in software development tools and methods. According to Glassdoor, the average salary of a software engineer is 8 lakhs per year in India. Next, at number 5, we have cloud architects. As the name suggests, cloud architects develop cloud-based systems that are scalable, reliable and secure. They work on various applications such as e-commerce websites, social media platforms and mobile applications. The job growth rate for cloud architects is expected to be around 24% over next 10 years. To become a cloud architect, you will need skills in cloud computing platforms such as AWS, Azure and Google Cloud platforms, as well as the experience in network and security infrastructure. And you know what? Cloud architect salary in India ranges between 6.5 lakhs to 42 lakhs with an average annual salary of 21.8 lakhs according to Ambition Box. Next, at number 4 on our top 10 highest paying job list is full stack developer. Full stack developers develop both front-end and back-end web applications. Means they handle the work of a front-end developer as well as back-end developer. They work on various applications like e-commerce websites, social media platforms and mobile applications. The job growth rate of a full stack developer is expected to be around 22% over next 10 years. To become a full stack developer, you will typically need skills in programming languages like JavaScript, HTML and CSS. Talking about the salary, then full stack developer salary in India ranges between 1.8 lakhs to 16 lakhs with an average annual salary of 5.2 lakhs as per Ambition Box. Moving on to number 3, we have product manager. With companies launching new products every now and then to stay in the market, it is but obvious that they will need product managers. Product managers oversee the development of products from ideation to launch. They work closely with cross-functional teams like engineering, design and marketing to ensure that the product meets customers' needs and business objectives. Suppose Tesla wants to launch new electric car models, features and services, then here product manager will be responsible for launching and promoting the product as per the decided timeline. The job growth rate of product managers is expected to be around 10% over next 10 years. To become a product manager, you will typically need a degree in business or a related field. In addition, you will need skills in product management methods and communication. The best part, product manager salary in India ranges between 5.1 lakhs to 35.1 lakhs with an average annual salary of 16.8 lakhs. So you definitely consider this option for your career. At number 2, we have digital marketer. Today, almost everyone has their presence on social media, right? And for a business to promote its product, it is necessary to choose a right audience and right platform. Here comes the role of a digital marketer. Digital marketers use various digital channels like social media, email, search engines to promote products and services to their target audience. They analyze consumer behavior and develop marketing strategies to increase brand awareness and sales. For example, a digital marketer working for Tesla could use social media to promote the latest electric car models and highlight their unique features. They would create engaging content like videos and infographics to educate customers about the benefits of electric cars and advantages of Tesla's technology. They could also use social media to engage with customers and address their questions and concerns, ultimately helping the company to increase sales. Guys, the job growth rate for digital marketer is expected to be around 10% over next 10 years. To start your career in digital marketing, you will need skills in digital marketing tools like Google Analytics and SEO optimization. Talking about the salary, then the digital marketing manager salary in India ranges between 3 lakhs to 18.1 lakhs with an average annual salary of 6.5 lakhs. And finally, at number 1 in our top 10 highest paying jobs, we have data scientists. Today, data is everywhere, but in unstructured form. Unstructured data is useless for businesses. For them to grow, it is necessary to have meaningful data. That is what data scientists do. They collect raw data and make it intelligent so that businesses get meaningful insights and helps them in decision making. Continuing with the same example, suppose Tesla wants to improve the performance of car, enhance user experience and drive business growth. What they will do is assign tasks to data scientists. They will collect the data from various sources like sensors on the car, users' interaction with car system to understand how customers use the features, etc. They make the raw data intelligent by using concept of machine learning and deep learning. They use statistical and computational methods to analyze and interpret complex data sets. They work on various applications like predictive modeling, data visualization and machine learning to extract meaningful insights and present the results with the help of data visualization tools. The job growth rate of a data scientist is expected to be around 30% over next 10 years. To become a data scientist, you will need skills in programming languages like Python and R, as well as experience in data analysis tools and machine learning algorithms. Guys, even if you are a non-tech person and this field interests you, then don't worry, you can be a data scientist too. With right approach, you can make a successful career in it. You can watch our video on how non-tech person can become a data scientist. For detailed insights, link is given in the description box. So guys, this was a list of our top 10 highest paying jobs in 2023. As you can see, these jobs require combination of technical and education skills, as well as soft skills like communication and teamwork. If you are interested in pursuing a career in technology, these jobs may be a great place to start with. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next video.